Hey, this where my heart and my feelings at. Where the skies and the stars, where they be at. In the height of the ceilings that. Where my family and they rest at. R.P. Cuzzo. R.P. to my uncle though. R.P. to Granny though. I'm out here, I switch my flow. I get money trying to make it to the top, man. They out faking, but I ain't trying to innovate it. I'm trying to get it automated, trying to get it automatic. And money come on, man. I'm changing the fabric. These people's out here change like fabrics. Just like a pot of gold, I'm out here trying to reach it like a rainbow. Trying to make it to the top though. Trying to live alright, yo. These people's like a light though. Light are really out here trying to take a life though. They'll screw you like a light pole. They'll screw you like a light though. Politician gotta go. These niggas trying to take my flow. Look, but it's for the real. It's for the family, for the grill. Out here flipping all states, and you know it's real. I don't like phony meat, no politician meat. These niggas out here, nigga politician meat. Trying to get a remedy, trying to cook our remedies. But I'm out here in the kitchen, cook a remedy. My family and they on the old in the South Beach, but they out here and we can kill off South Beach. Fuck these niggas in the lane, and I done did it in my game. I'm out here in my lane. It's my own family that I don't trust when they look at me. How they look kinda funny when they look at me. No digits in the paper and they gotta fake it. When they tryna smoke a blunt, then you know they racist. Cause I'm light skinned and they black, but I don't really give a fuck and I don't like they act. But I'll show them, I'll teach them how they fucking act. Treat them like a dog, how they wanna treat it, how they act. My politician in my brain rack, but these niggas don't know cause I'm a maniac. 51st and you don't know what's at. So nigga, where the gold at? We about that. The family, I ain't with that. But these peoples, they ain't with that. Lower, loyalty, then you know I'm hitting that.